Hello everyone. In this video I have taken the topic of canvas and image in TCL-TK. So canvas, it provides a space for the drawing purpose over which we can put some predefined object or we can put user defined image. Now what are the different objects we have, like the line, arc, rectangle, oval. These objects we can put where every object must be dimensioned within their coordinates number. Okay, now let me start with this canvas. How can we use the canvas and what are the different options are available with canvas? Okay, so now first of all, to instance a canvas, I'm going to write simply canvas dot c. I'm going to provide minus bg red, some background color. Now I'm going to pack it by geometry manager, pack dot c. Now what we have seen, a red color of background canvas has been created by default width and height space. If you wish, we can control the dimension. Now over which, if you want to put object like dot c create. Create is a method to create object over canvas. Dot c create line. For the line, how many coordinate I do require? Uh, I require x1, y1, x2, y2. I'm going to put dimension here x1, y1 10, 30, x2, y2 I'm going to put 50, 50. Now to make this color, I am going to put minus fill yellow. Minus fill command put the dimension or put the color of the line yellow. We have seen a line has been appeared over the canvas. Similarly, we can put here dot c create. I'm going to put arc. Now to create a arc, we have to first of all we need to define the dimension. When you define the dimension, I'm going to put dimension 100 and 120. Some x y value have given. Now we need to provide here angles. I'm going to provide start angle and extend angle 30 to 180. Now if we wish, I can put here minus fill yellow, some color arc. What we have seen, a arc has appeared within the given coordinate and their start angle and extent angle. Similarly, we can go for we can have the oval dot c create oval. Now over the oval we have to give the two coordinates. 50, I'm going to give coordinate location 50, 50 to smaller size 100, 100. Okay, what we have seen, a oval has appeared with their coordinate location. Similarly, we can have the bitmap. Bitmap are the certain special inbuilt system defined imaging to represent some system related task. If I'm going to write dot c create bitmap, here we need to provide certain dimension. I'm going to provide dimension of uh, 180, 180, some random dimension I put. Now minus bitmap. Now minus bitmap, I am going to put info. But we have seen a dimension, a size of info or the info has appeared with their shape. Similarly, the other bitmap are available are the hourglass. So I'm going to change the dimension. Suppose if I take 200 and 200, what we've seen, a hourglass has been appeared. The This is one of the canvas. It simply provide a background space over which we can put certain object. Now if I'm going to put like dot c create text, we have another method. We can create rectangle or we can create text. Only we think we have to control the dimension. Now minus text, I'm going to write hello world. Minus, if I'm going to put fill yellow. Oh, let me show here the complete. Okay, minus fill yellow. What we have seen is with the given coordinate location, the particular text will appear. Remember, this canvas will be helpful when we want to create a GUI of the any tool, or like suppose this can be act as the background space over which we want to put certain schematic. Another part of canvas widget are the image. In the previous section we have seen that we can put certain object over the canvas. Now a user defined image can be appeared over the canvas. For that we need to follow the two different commands. One is the image create command by image create photo. Here we need to store the file, we need to store the image in our hard drive. Now to display the image over canvas we need to add the canvas with given dimension. To add an canvas over the add image over canvas, first of all I am going to open my hard drive on the C drive active TCL. In the bin folder, first of all I am going to put some image. Suppose let's see, I am going to take a image of and.png. We can put the image in put the image in PNG format, TIFF format, or GIF format. Very first we need to store the image in our hard drive. Let's see, I'm going to put in the by default bin folder. Afterwards open the canvas this window. Now first of all invoke a canvas.c. I'm going to put -bg, suppose pink, pack.c. Okay, what we have seen, a canvas has appeared with pink color. Now over this canvas space I'm going to put the and.png. So for that, as I have told you, we have to use the two command we need to follow. Image create photo. Okay, so command is image create photo, give certain temporary name img minus file. What are the name of the file we had? We need to give and.png with extension. Okay, let me make this enlarge the complete size here. And.png. Okay, now it means what we have seen, a image has been created with img. Now to make it appear, .c create image name. Image name I have given here the dimension. Okay, image .c create image dimension. I'm going to give dimension is the 100. Some random dimension I have given, minus image. The temporary image name I have given here, the photo name is the image img. So what we have seen, a canvas. Over this our canvas with the given dimension, the particular AND gate with appeared. Now in this video what we have seen, that we can put the n number of image in our drive. We can call over the canvas by writing the image create command and .image .c create image to appear over the option. Okay, so I hope this video will be must have liked with you, and here you have learned how can we create a canvas and we can add object or image over the canvas.